Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if the face recognition scanner on your Red Magic Astra isn't recognizing your face properly. So, let's set up a new face model for our device, and to do that, access the settings menu on your tablet, then go to security and privacy menu, then select device unlock, select fingerprint and face unlock, enter your password, then select face unlock, and here, before we add a new facial data, let's remove the old one by tapping delete facial data and confirming. And now, before we add a new face model, let's carefully wipe the surface of the frontal camera of our tablet using a microfiber cloth or just a dry towel if you don't have microfiber cloth around. Now make sure that the brightness in your room is good enough for your tablet to see your face, for your camera to see your face clearly, and make sure that the lights are facing you and not your device's camera, and also make sure that your face is not too bright. Then select face unlock, done. Then you're gonna have to position your face about 20 to 50 centimeters away from your tablet and look directly at the camera and make sure that your face is within this circle. Tap create now, and now turn your head to either left or right side. Basically just follow the instructions that you see on your tablet screen. And once your face is enrolled, before we continue, let's also make sure that there are no updates available for our tablet, because sometimes they put minor fixes in the newest OS versions, and this might be the fix that you're looking for actually. So go to System and Update, go to System Update, and check whether you have an update to download. If you do, then take your time to download the most recent software version, and then let your tablet restart for the update to be applied. Otherwise, just restart your tablet normally by holding down the power button for a couple of seconds and selecting restart. And then let's wait until the tablet is restarted. Now let's enter the pattern, and let's try to test our face recognition scanner now. Okay, so the tablet got unlocked the first time, the second time, and the third time easily. And I hope that this feature works smoothly for you too now. And if this video helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.